Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to add users such as caretakers and maintenance on PrivateBnB. So first guys, what you want to do is go over to the users section if you're not already there. If you can't see all the tabs, you're going to click right here and then click on users. And then here on users, you can see yourself, you can see your own email, and you can see that the access that you have is owner and your status is active. And right here, there's a little search tab. So when you have a bunch of caretakers and maintenance, you'll be able to search them. And so click right here, you click invite user. We're gonna invite a caretaker and we're gonna put their email right here and then send invite. There you go. And now you'll be able to see that it says caretaker. It'll say access that they have is caretaker and the status is pending. What they're gonna have to do is get an email and they're gonna have to accept the access and then their status will be active. Then they'll be able to have access to any notifications or messages that you give them access to, such as notifications or direct messages that are automatically sent upon arrival and departure. If you add the caretaker to have access to this, then they'll be able to get that. So let's go ahead and add another user. We're going to add maintenance and it's going to be our plumber. So we're going to do plumber and we're going to add his email. Now you can see that right here it says plumber's email. He has access to the maintenance and his status is pending as well. So once he accepts that, he'll have an active status and be able to get everything that you allow him to be able to see, such as calendars or notifications or messages or just anything that you give him access to. Now, if you want an example for what I mean by this, go back to listings and I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to go over to notifications. And you'll see right here, notifications, there's automatic arrival messages, departure messages, and agreement and payment information. You can give access to the caretaker or maintenance right here, as well as owner, which is yourself most of the time, or maybe you have multiple owners. But you're going to be able to give them access here. So say on departure, you want to give access to the maintenance and the caretaker so that they'll be able to see the departure message and the arrival message when it's sent, so they'll know that the person is leaving and the person's arriving. That's just an example of what the caretaker and maintenance people are going to be able to see if you give them access to it. So that's how you add users such as caretakers and maintenance in PrivateBnB. Hope you enjoyed.